for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you the PabelSmart Mall where you can redeem your vouchers that you have received. So, in simple terms, and just to be quick, PabelSmart is a platform by Kantar. Kantar is a market research company. It's international, based in South Africa, and we have some offices around. I've seen a few. Okay, so Panel Smart is where you scan your groceries. Okay, any groceries. So every time you go shopping, you come back, you scan your groceries. There's an app. You can check it on Google. What do they call it? Google Play Store, or you can also check it on your App Store. Apple Store. What do they call it? Let me check my Apple phone. Yeah, where you get apps, right? Let me quickly check. Yeah, it's called the App Store. Okay. So once you download it, you can start scanning. But signing up is very, very, very I guess they take it very, very serious. You don't just sign up, you don't just have access, you have to go through certain stages. So, what I did was I saw a post on Facebook and I followed the instructions. I clicked on the link, I remember, and then I filled in my information, and then I got a call from them. I think it was within 3 days, or if not less, and they asked me questions and questions, and they also told me, they gave me my username and my password, and yeah, so that's how I started last month, and this is how much I've made. Where's my money? This is how much I made 135 rands. Okay, yeah, that was the first month, which was in November. We are in December, and I haven't received anything for December because they pay on the last day, I guess. I think. So the money, when it comes, it's gonna be here. I think it's gonna be added to what I have currently. So you can scan like your milk, your eggs and stuff, but the certain things you cannot scan, like uh let's say a broom, a dust for the duster, veggies and stuff. Like, you cannot scan that. Anyway, the app tells you what not to scan and what you can scan. So if you scan more than 4 times, that's when you qualify for an incentive on top of another one and on top of another one. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to show you what you can buy. I really don't want to be long. I will make another video scanning my groceries and showing you how quick and easy that is. So here on the website, there's where you can buy gift cards. As you can see, they have for entertainment. Let's click on that. Wow. And I remember my sister was asking me um if I had Showmax. I said no, I really don't have time for television. And she was like, no, you're so boring. I was like, okay, okay, I'll buy you a voucher then. So I guess I'll buy her a voucher. Let's click on Showmax. Okay, it's loading. Okay. Uh so this is what they have for a 99 rands subscription. It's a 1 month subscription. So you pay 106 rands. Okay. So they take can I say a markup of 7 rands? Okay. So we are going to select the amount. Okay, but I'm not going to purchase it before I confirm with my sister if she still needs it or she ended up getting it herself. Okay, so we are going to go back to our thingy, to the menu. I know there's people who love takeaways like me, if I have 200 rands or more in my account every time, I think about food, like takeaways, which is not good. Anyway, we are going to go to food and drinks. Yeah, they have KFC, Nando's, Panarottis, Spur, and Starbucks. Okay, I love Nando's a lot. Okay, so we're gonna go back and check retail. In case you have a baby or you have a little bit of an emergency, you can probably come here and see which, you know, which store voucher you'd like to get. Superbalist, Take a Lot, they have Yuppie Chef, they have Raru. Okay, I don't know the other one. Okay. So yeah, you can check, guys. You can just check. And this is quite amazing. I saw something. Okay, I'm not sure, but I saw speakers for like 1.5. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna work so hard for that. They really look nice. So you can also get your Uber vouchers. I guess this is it could be both Uber Eats and Uber Ride. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. So as you can see, they only have for 200 rands and you need 224 rands. They put a markup of 24 rands for the purchase. And guys, I really hope you'll enjoy like scanning your groceries to enjoy the the incentive right here. So yeah, this is the merchandise I was talking about. So I saw speakers. Let me go on electronics. They really looked cool. I was like, no way, I really gotta get that. So guys, it's easy. I'm gonna post on the description below. I'm gonna post the number. So how you sign up, you're gonna WhatsApp your name to that number and you tell them that Layla Dlamini is the one who referred you. Okay. It's that simple. So if if you refer someone and they are active and they do what they have to do, then you get $100, I think, every month. I'm really not sure, but because when they called me and I was really really excited to hear that they giving you something, at no cost from you. So this is what they have. I wanted to show you the speakers, but I guess they kind of far. But as you can see, they selling good quality stuff, and 845. Those are the earbuds, and they also have Bluetooth headphones. Okay. Uh, yeah. Depending on the type of person you are, you may love certain things, you may not like certain things, and oh, guys, here mobile phones and accessories. I want to see what type of phones they have. Okay, let's see. Oh, they have covers, phone covers. Yeah. And if they do have cell phones, I'm pretty sure they're going to be so expensive. So we're going to go to the last page to see what else they have. Okay, they have, what's this? Power banks. Nice. They also have tablet cases. Oh, this is so awesome, guys. Wow, they have phones. They have phones. As you can see, there's a Xiaomi Redmi 9A, whatever. I've heard people talking about it, and they say it's a very, very cool phone. Like it's similar to, your well-known phones, and the picture quality is also nice. So here you have it, guys. Like if you work so hard, I mean within a month or so you should have like 1,000 rands or more. If you refer people and you also carry groceries, you can also get yourself something nice from the store. Here's a speaker, guys. Oh, this is so nice. Yeah. Okay, guys. But thank you so much for tuning in. All right, I'm gonna show you how to easily scan your groceries. And yeah, in case you don't have the receipt, it's also fine. The app has an option for that where you select that no, you don't have any receipt. So yes, guys, thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe, to share our content, and also to comment in case you have any questions or any suggestions on the type of video I should make, in my next one. And yeah, I thank you so much for your support. Bye.